welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day and I've got some stuff that I've actually got to get done, and it involves the 2-valve Terror. The 2-valve Terror has literally not moved in like 3 months, and I need to get it uncovered, check the battery, get it started up, and I also need to get the new wheels and tires on the car. As you can see here, there he is sitting on Mrs. Foxcast's old GT Premium wheels. So I need to get that changed out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head down and get the impact from Send It With Ken. And we're going to get these things swapped out and kind of organize the garage a little bit and show off some parts from Maximum Motorsports. So let's go. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. Oh, look at this.
He says no camera, Caleb. He says no camera.
What are you doing? Dude,
you were freaking on.
am I the man or
After
what?
the night I had last night, I needed that.
I was thinking about Ken, and I had to bring him a cold dew because he had a hard night.
So did you say anything to him?
Not a word.
No, okay, good.
Not a word.
Good.
But Ken's got the GT up on the lift, doing a little love to it. And if you caught the last video where we talked about the 15, there it is right there. It's a beast. How you feeling this morning? Not good?
No.
It's all good.
For all intents and purposes, I love manual transmissions. And I have gotten great times out of my 03 Cobra. My 17 GT even figured it out and got great times.
Right?
It's a learning curve. And so...
If you caught the upload when we went to the track, it was definitely a learning curve. Lots to figure out on this 18 GT.
I look like a noob. I look like a noob out there. I look like
You're not a noob though. Everybody
I look
knows.
like I know, but see, I look like I don't even know what I'm doing out there, man. That's the frustrating part because I ran great times in cars that
Yep.
just before my 17 ran 780 at 90 mile an hour, and my Cobra with just a pulley and a tune ran 750s at 92. So
He's not a noob. It's just
I'm
a
not,
learning
guys,
curve.
as much as it looks like in the video, I promise you.
He's going to figure it out, I promise. All right, guys, so we're back at the house, and obviously since the car hasn't been started in at least 3 months, we're going to have to jump it off and finally get her fired up. Oh, she's so clean. She's such a clean beastie. So let's get this thing jumped off, get these wheels on, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. But at least we'll have the wheels on. All right, jumper cables are hooked up. Let's see if this thing will start. And I'm not gonna give it any crap this time because like I said, I need a bigger garage. Like I said, it's been like 3 months. So let's see what she does here. Yep, this is probably gonna take a minute. Yeah. This is gonna take a while. She is alive! She is alive! God, it's been a while. I didn't think this car was ever gonna start. That's what I get for letting it sit, but hey. Now we gotta get the wheels on. So let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, the wheels are on the car. I spared you all the theater of me bolting the wheels on the car. Why? Because it's not very entertaining. But it had actually kind of occurred to me that I had never truthfully and actually introduced you to this car, and as it's going away here for too long, I decided I should probably just like give you a little info on it. It's a 2002 GT. It's a low mile car, about 80,000. And it's just really clean. Now, the thing that I don't like about it is, and I'm going to get into this in a minute, is the car has every bolt-on known to man, short of like a supercharger or something like that, and it's not fast at all. But anyway, I'm going to shut up and we're going to check this thing out. Okay, so got the new wheels on. Now drop me a comment below. Tell me what you think of these. I am truthfully not feeling them at all. Now here's one of the reasons I'm not feeling them. This section right here is raised quite a bit, and so these spokes, I'm guessing, are probably the same as the 17s, so the wheels actually look smaller than they are. Now, when you compare them to the ones that I took off this car and put them on Mrs. Foxcast car, the spokes look a lot shorter, and that is one of the main reasons I'm not liking it. But it looks pretty good. And here's number 2. The factory center caps don't fit. I've already lost one, just doing some testing, but obviously you don't want to run the junk that they send with it, so you want to run the original Mustang center caps. Well, they don't fit, so another big fail on these crappy wheels. Alright, so as far as mods on the car, it's got everything. It's got long tubes, SLP long tubes, SLP X-pipe, SLP catback, 373 gears, AccuFab plenum and throttle body, Steeda cold air. I mean, basically everything. Underdrive pulleys, maximum motorsport suspension, Cobra brakes, just basically anything you can throw at it. And on the dyno with an SCT tune, the car did 275, 318. It didn't even break 300 horsepower. So it's a little frustrating because all of those mods were extremely expensive to do. The headers alone were like $900, and it didn't do much. Now, I'm not saying the car is like deathly slow. It is a fun car to toss around a little bit, but for all that money, you would kind of expect more, and I did. But, you know, maybe I was just asking too much. Who knows? Guys, so that is about what I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed checking out the 2-valve Terror, and sadly she will be leaving us, but hey, we got a lot more projects coming, so not even sweating it. And it's going back to my buddy, good home. She'll be well taken care of and probably won't hardly be driven like it doesn't get driven here. So in the meantime, if you like this upload, please give me a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to be there June 9th, Jackson, Tennessee. I rented out the track. Be there. And link below for the Patreon page. Check out the subscription, all the giveaways and stuff I'm doing. It's epic, I promise. So, that's all I got for you today. Later, guys.